Hi, I'm Shtuki, and today I will cook amazing chanterelle mushrooms. This recipe is ancient and super tasty, and yet very easy and fast. Let's do it together. We need mushrooms from the forest, or you can buy them, of course. So it's about half kilogram, will be super fine. Then we will need onion. Take more onions than you usually take. So I will take this pack of onions. It's okay. And then one garlic. And also the very special ingredient, it's a sour cream. Sour cream. You can take 15% or 20% wet, any you like. Wash mushrooms and cut them into small pieces, like this. This big is fine. When our mushrooms ready, leave them and prepare onion, because we will start with frying onion. Add some oil and fry it on a pan. When onion is golden, it's super ready. Now move onion to the plate, and we will fry our mushrooms on the same pan. So we will use it. Do not clean it right now, just remove onion. When there is no water, add 200 grams of sour cream. Now clean garlic and add it to the mushrooms, and add a little bit of sunflower seed oil, and also heat some oil on the frying pan. Now it's time to add mushrooms. Leave it in the pan until all water evaporates. When there is no water, add 200 grams of sour cream. And also add onion. Mix everything together and leave it for about 10 minutes. It's almost ready. What is very tasty is to eat these mushrooms with boiled potatoes. It's super fun and cool. Also, you can fry potatoes if you like, but potatoes with mushroom, super well. It's time to smash potatoes and wait to our super tasty dish. When it's almost done, add some salt.
Mm,